Hi, I'm Jonathan Bardzik, and today we're going to cook up a garden-fresh minestrone pasta using some award-winning All-America Selections vegetables. First, do you ever hear that phrase award-winning and wonder, what does it really mean? Well, I want to tell you about an award I've really come to believe in. It's from a nonprofit called All-America Selections. For more than 85 years, they've been evaluating new seed-grown vegetables and flowers, and their award selection process is really impressive. All-America Selections sends seeds, say a new kale, to volunteer judges across North America. Those kale seeds arrive with two comparable varieties, typically other recognized top performers. The volunteer judges grow them side by side and evaluate them for garden performance, insect and disease resistance, and of course the flavor of the vegetables themselves. Now, if a variety performs well in one region, it can win a regional award, but it has to perform consistently well across North America to become a national winner. But the true test? How about this field of All-America Selections award winners that I'm standing in right now? They have been growing well and producing lots of food all season long. And they are all delicious too. So back to that kale. I've chopped up some All-America Selections award-winning Prism kale. I'm going to use it today to make a fresh and hearty minestrone pasta. We'll start by sauteing some Mad Hatter peppers. These were bred from a pepper that is often used in Peruvian and Bolivian cooking. They'd be worth growing for the really fun shape alone, but they have this citrusy floral flavor with a little heat in around the seeds that is just delicious. Next, I'm going to add some crisp, uniform, and stringless Seychelles pole beans, and some Chef's Choice yellow tomatoes. These produce so abundantly and are highly disease resistant, so they're really easy to grow. Now we're ready for our kale. Now I'm going to toss it through with a little bit of pasta and some of the cooking liquid I saved, which is going to bring everything together in a nice little sauce. Let's take a taste. Fresh and delicious. For this and more garden-fresh, simple and delicious recipes, and a full list of all of the All-America Selections award winners, visit allamericaselections.org. Now, have fun cooking and garden confidently. A few award winners will get you there.